10-minute full-body workout that you can do at home. This workout includes a mix of cardiovascular exercises and strength training moves to target different muscle groups. Perform each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. If you're a beginner, you can modify the exercises as needed. Remember to warm up before you start and cool down after you're done. 1. Jumping jacks ***. Start with a classic cardio move to warm up your body. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your feet and raising your arms overhead. Jump again to return to the starting position. 2. Push ups ***. A great exercise for upper body strength. Start in a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body down by bending your elbows, keeping your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position. 3. Bodyweight squats ***. Target your lower body with squats. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and hips, as if sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and your weight on your heels. Stand back up to the starting position. 4. Plank ***. Engage your core muscles and work on your stability. Start in a push-up position, but with your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position, focusing on engaging your core. 5. Lunges ***. Work on your lower body strength and balance. Stand with your feet together. Take a step forward with one leg, bending both knees to create two 90-degree angles. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Alternate legs. 6. 6. Tricep dips. Using a sturdy chair or elevated surface ****, target your triceps. Sit on the edge of a chair or sturdy surface, with your hands placed next to your hips and fingers pointing forward. Slide your hips off the edge, keeping your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. 7. High knees ***, get your heart rate up with high knees. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Alternate lifting your knees as high as you can while jogging in place. 8. Bicycle crunches ***, engage your core and work on your obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring one knee toward your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards that knee. Switch sides in a pedaling motion, as if you're riding a bicycle. Remember to listen to your body, and if any exercise feels too challenging, feel free to modify or skip it. Always prioritize proper form to prevent injuries.